Rise and shine, everyone. We welcome you at Trinity Consultant Oman branch. Today we are here to share a very good news about Hungary work permit we received from Hungary, and it's belonged to our client, Mr. and Mrs. RJ, and how can we forget our Filipino friends? So, congratulations, and Mr. Aaron will give this to him, please.
So yun, magandang araw mga kababayan. Ako nga pala si Aaron, one of the Immigration Advisor po sa Trinity Consultants. Maraming salamat po kay Mr. RJ at saka sa kanyang asawa na nakuha na po nila yung kanilang work permit. So yun, ano po masasabi nila, Mr. RJ? So ngayon, nakuha niya na yung work permit niya.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Aaron, Ms. Ashipa, sa pagtulong sa amin. Help us to receive this Hungary permit. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Thank you.